Hey, what's up? Gala coin holder. So this time Gala coin is completely moving normally, not big dump, not big jump, my friend. You can see here and completely moving in the normal. So this time you can see 0.083 USD dollar is the current price in 0.08% the price decrease now in last 24 hours. So let's get started, my friend. We will predicate this coin and we will tell you about the next pump to in upcoming time. They will pumps up or they will dumps down more and more. So please holder, please first of all remember to this is not a financial video. I just advise you, and if you are new my channel, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. My brothers, the market cap, the fully diluted rate, the volume, everything is completely on the decreasing, and definitely when that's all is decreasing, so the coin is price will this is very badly decreasing now. So therefore the price is also, my friend, decreasing now. My friend, in upcoming time there is 100% chance to the price will change into positive. They will give you a very good profit. So why I tell you this? Because my brothers, I already predicate this coin, and my friend, there is 100% chance to they will give you a profit, because everybody knows this too. In the last 10 days of every month every coin will get a profit. So therefore I hope, my friends, too, they will give you a profit. And the resistance line, as you can see, my friend, this time they will completely on the profit, because if they will hit the resistance line, then it's mean, my friends, so they will get a profit. So please, as you can see, my friend, this time a lot of time they will hit the resistance line. In upcoming time you can see also they will moving upward, they will completely hit the resistance line. So therefore I hope, my friends, they will give you more and more profit. But sometime they were fails down, so this does not mean to you are starting selling. You will need to hold down. I hope, my friends, too, in upcoming times Gala coin will give you a very good profit. See you next time, Gala coin holder. My prediction is 100% going positive. Please, if you want to get a profit, you will need, my friends, to invest more and more and hold it if you are starting holding. So I hope, my friends, too, Gala coin will make you a millionaire. So please don't miss this chance. Take a risk and get 100% profit. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.